Why are you here?
I did everything.
In the sunlight, it's gold. Okay. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video, a night video at that. We haven't posted one of these in a minute. That thing's snappy now. We got the boy Sebastian out on a beautiful S. And then finally got the tune on it too. So you know I might have to catch a ride on it, my boy. That thing's going so good. I need to get on that. I need to get on that. Man, it is cold, man. When I say it is cold outside, it is cold. It's like 40. I'll pop the weather up right here. It's like 40 something. I mean, it's not really windy. I got the letters on today though. But we're gonna go to the, if you know, garage. I believe it's the last meet of the season because it is getting cold and not the riding season anymore, really. So videos will be kind of shortened out during this cold weather that we got. There's a big old like cold front that hit Texas here, so. But man, my hands are like freezing though. Even though I don't have any ventilation in my glove. But it's still like, man, my glove, bro. I mean my hands. I'm actually going to one of the homies' house. We're gonna go meet him. Gonna go meet him while we're over there. We're all headed up to the garage. But man, there's so much traffic out. We got the black on the face, made it a little different. Then add the blue lines on there. I don't know you guys can see that really. The highway cracked open. I came back with the wheelies, man. Man, I haven't rode on 6 in a minute. But yeah, he also did order the headers, I believe, too. So that thing's gonna sound beautiful when those come in. feel way more smoother when it's cold. Like what? Looking all nice, see the blue lights on there. That's it. I love that black space on there that he did. I don't know if you guys can see right now. I still have the action for you. You gotta bear with me. Money's getting a little tight over here. You know your boy got a kid now, so. Man, look at that. 2 BMWs in Aprilia. And they got heated grips. Oh my God, that's so warm. Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh my God. Anyways, got the boy Junior out. Got the boy Junior on the S looking all nice. I like the carbon too, the carbon piece. Looking all clean. I believe he added this back here too. On there too as well. And then, like I said, I don't know if you guys really see it, but you got the blue too in there. Looks pretty cool. Oh, he has the black. He has some black right there too. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Appreciate it, bro. He's getting the headers though, so. Damn. Alright, man. This light taking forever. Well, we got 2 BMWs out. I believe Junior's is a 23 or a 24. So I've actually got 2025 model. But looking all nice though. Get this ride going. I gotta like close my visor softly because I don't have my what is it called? My fog thing. My visor keeps fogging up. I don't have my pin lock. That's what it's called. Pin lock. I don't have the pin lock in. Oh, we got a clean out here.
I really can't believe they got the bike.
McLaren GT4 RS, Lamb. Alright, Christmas lights out. STO. Oh my God, that paint is nice. I don't know if the camera's doing any justice. That thing is nice though. Another Lamb. That one. Look at this paint job on this. It looks like a wrap at first, but no, that's paint. That's paint. Yours. thing looks nice. If I had to choose one though, it gotta be the purple one though. If I had to choose one. We got some little stuff out here too.
Which one?
Looks like an M3 up there. Is that an M3? M4? Yeah. M3? Huh? I need a what's it called? Pin lock.
Oh yeah.
My stuff kept fogging up. It was nice. Looks like we doing an exhaust. Oh, we already did the exhaust change. Straight piped. Yeah, that's nice too. Oh my god, that paint job is nice on there. That thing is nice. Is that a paint? Oh, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. I was thinking about doing that to my bike, y'all, but I heard that them lights be scratching your stuff up.
Oh yeah, they do.
Huh?
Yours is wrapped.
Yeah, but it's gonna mess up the wrap. Got an R8 out. This is an Aston Martin, I believe. Show you guys around here what we got. We got a 24, this Junior's bike right here. Got a nice little R6, orange action out too. Looking all nice, looking all clean. Got a Honda CBR 1K out. We got Sebastian's bike out. I ain't got no light. I need to put a light on. I ain't no light over here. We over here getting treated like peasants. But man, look at the blue lights though. Everything looks good. We got yours truly. Helmet wrap on that thing. I did add a new visor. It's gold, but you can't really see it at night. There you go. Can't really see it at night, but it's gold though. Got a little gold tint to it. Since the wrap does have a little gold tint in it, a little bit. We got a Ninja 300 looks like Ducati 1199. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. We got a ZX6R out here as well. We got a ZX10, a blue one too with a little bit of forge on it. It's the homie's bike, but he did sell it. But we got the forge on it. We got another 400 out.
What's up, bro? You got your bike? I'm on the blue ZX10.
We got a ZX10 out as well. Another one. I love this colorway on it. I love this colorway. We got a Yamaha. These MT3 looks like 636. Another 636 with the purple accents on there too. Looking all clean. Another 400 out. Got a CBR 600. Yep. And then we got a CF model. You don't really see these around. What do you guys think about the new CF model? If it does drop in the States, I am planning on getting one actually. I'm actually planning on getting it. But yeah. Alrighty folks, that's probably gonna be it for today's video though. Me and Sebastian finna head out. It's getting too cold out here, man.
Hey, whose dumbass idea was this?
No, for real, I think it was yours. Anyways though, I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Go ahead, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch up with y'all. Peace. Yo. Yo, you good, bro? Well, I don't know where to start. If you've seen this video, I did go down after that meet. This is the only damage that really happened.
on the bike. Don't worry about the suitcase. I was still here from packing from LA, coming back from LA. Only really damage that really happened was the pegs. I did fix those, and then the little thing that holds the bike up. But this mainly took all the damage, the wing. They've seen this video. This will probably be the last ride for a while. It's my first time going down on this bike, and a lot of stuff was going through my mind, and this is also damaged up here too. So, and then the steering, the triple tree is a little crooked. So, other than that, though, I mean, things happen. I was riding at night and it was like 43, 44 degrees out. It's pretty cold, and then the back wheel slipped from underneath me when I was turning out the parking lot, and then I low sided. So gonna get this fixed. It's gonna take a little while to get it fixed. Cause money's a little tight right now, but we'll be back. I'll still probably post some reels and stuff. I still need to post, but it's probably be the last video until I honestly feel like getting back on the bike, because that was my first time going down on the Ape. So. But it's a little intermission though. I wasn't recording. I took my camera off, my helmet, and then I put in my fanny pack, and then the rest is history. So stay tuned when the next video comes out. It's probably gonna be a little minute from now, but yeah, man.